Yeah, freaking people, like, this is freaking crazy. Like, fuck, man. Like, this, it had to be the fucking craziest snowstorm day. So today I'm just a vlogger, and the Christmas went by there, and well, yeah, I liked it, you know, it was nothing special, but I made a huge bunch of videos, you know, on the Christmas Eve. But the problem over here, we can talk all day about microphones, and that's boring. I think that's boring, that's not so interesting. Of course there are those people that could talk, you know, years about mics, but I'm not one of those people, and I'm gonna say that I feel that the mic that you have probably won't make you better or make your voice better, because it can't be taken where your voice is, you know. You see this structure, let's go in and let's get more power, more power, more power, more power, power, more power, more power, more power, more power now. Give me power, man, power. Give me more power, more power, more power. Rock formations, more power, man, more power. Take me all the way into the wilds. I'll give you the styles. Okay, now hear my voice after all that training, you know, doesn't it sound pretty different, you know? The plot thickens and the blood runs deep. The mafia is never asleep. Let's go all the way to the top, mafia. Hey, I just realized that my outfit freaking matches, you know, green and red and green and red. Like, man, like, that's pretty cool. Yeah, freaking people, like, this is freaking crazy. Like, fuck, man. Like, this, it had to be the fucking craziest snowstorm day. But man, I'm freaking alive, you know. I feel so freaking alive in this moment. Medal, mafia, Italia, the clubs, skies above, down from the moon, power. Here this animal moved really funny. You see that? Like, he made a turn like that. Yeah, I don't really recommend to do this if you live in this town. And don't blame me if you die over there, because it's a real possibility. You have to be a professional to do this, and I'm a professional, you know. Oh, and if you think about that, I had some kind of, you know, car that I could have, you know, saved myself into. No way, you know, I didn't even have a fucking phone with me.